Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Adesse New York Ultra Suede Matte Top Coat. So this is for your nails, obviously, and it's very interesting top coat. I probably would have never bought this, to be honest, on my own, but it came in a subscription box and I surprisingly really like it. It's a top coat that you add to your nails if you want a matte finish, so it mattifies any polish by delivering a flawless, smooth matte finish, a super sophisticated look for any manicure. This is high-tech skincare for nails, and this is also a nail treatment, so it's really healthy for your nails. As it says here, it says nail treatment essentials, and the website says, when it comes to nail health, it is all too common to have brittle, weak, damaged nails. If this is your problem, never fear. Our Nail Treatment Essentials collection has revolutionized the way you treat your weak nails and cuticles. Borrowing from the hair and skincare industries, we have developed products that cleanse, repair, and protect nails. Using organic ingredients and innovative technology, we have developed products that make keeping your nails healthy easier than ever. For a sensory experience, for the mind and spirit and truly healthy nails, try our collection today. I haven't tried the whole collection. I've only used this top coat, and I have to say I really love it. It is definitely worth the hype. I have used matte nail polishes in the past, not a top coat, but I have used matte nail polishes, and this goes on smooth, it dries hard, and it doesn't chip or peel off. So it's just a really good top coat overall. Like, I really just can't say enough good things about this product. And it's definitely very matte. I think that even like it's very matte, it does have like a little bit of a satin finish in most matte polishes, but it is very matte. And it has a really gorgeous finish, and it's not flat and it's not dull like other like matte nail polishes. I think that rather than making it matte, it's a little bit dull, which I think why it has a little bit more of a satin finish to it. It is really long lasting. I've noticed when I use this over other top coats, my nail polish lasts a much longer time. I usually only have to change it out because my nail is growing out, so I have like you can see my regular nail peeking out to the bottom, but I've never had to switch it out or like take the nail polish off because it's chipping. So it's very chip resistant, which I think is usually a problem with a lot of matte nail polishes. So yeah, it's really good. It also dries really quickly, which is nice. So the instructions on how to use it says, after applying color polish, apply one coat and allow it to dry. You can apply it every day to maintain the sueded matte effect. I have never done that. I usually just do it the one day, and I know don't do it again. And then apply it on one nail or all to create a one-of-a-kind look. It may also be used as a French tip over color polish to create a unique dual texture look. That's really interesting. I never really thought about doing that. Like, that could actually be really pretty. I think even doing it the opposite is something I'd want to try, painting my whole nail with this top coat and then using my regular nail polish as just a French tip, so that way the whole nail is matte except for the tip. That could actually be really cute, and I kind of want to try that. I love that this has all organic ingredients. I could read to you the list of ingredients, but it's really a lot of things that I can't pronounce, so I'm not going to, but it is online. You can see it on Amazon or on the adesseNY.com website. But just know that it is organic. Let's see, it is made in the USA. It is not tested on animals either. I want to say that it comes in like a little box. Mine did not, because I got it in a subscription box, so I didn't actually like order it separately or buy it. But I believe that if you do, it comes in like a pretty pink box. It's a pretty small size, and the lid itself is also, it's like the same width as the rest of the bottle, which is interesting. Most of the nail polishes, the lid and the brush is like smaller than the bottle with the product, but that's not the case here, which I like because it's easier to hold onto it because it's bigger. And then it's a pretty decent size. or it's a little bit small, but it's not too bad. So if you have like wider nails, you will have to go through with quite a few strokes to get it to cover your whole nail, but it's really not that, it's not too bad. It's, I think, like a standard size, and like I said, the lid being pretty thick makes for just easier, more precise application, as well as the smaller brush makes for a more precise application. I'd be really interested to use the other products in this collection, in the Nail Treatment Essentials collection. But yeah, overall, I really love this product. I think that if you have brittle nails and you like painting your nails, this is a good option. That's going to be a nail treatment as well as give your nails like a really unique look. So yeah, I highly recommend this, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video.